Hi friends, let me show you this Sonic anti-bark control device that I received for reviewing purposes. It is aimed to help you have your dogs more tranquil, okay? So they don't bark a lot. So you have 3 different strength levels depending on the size of your dog, okay? It's a rechargeable unit, okay? You just have to turn it on. And this is where you are going to charge it. It's a micro USB port, okay? So when you turn it on, you are in the lowest strength, medium strength, and highest strength, okay? So the unit can be mounted on the wall with these accessories, with these holes, and it will take up to 2 to 3 weeks for your dogs to fully be trained on the sounds they will hear when they bark, okay? So follow the instructions and you will be successfully using this anti-barking control device. Good luck.